Hello friends, I am Swati and this is video lesson number 7 on the chapter data handling mean, median and mode. This is the last lesson of this chapter, and in this lesson we are going to discuss some different types of problems based on mean, median and mode of the data. So let's start. The first problem is find the mean, median and mode of the following marks in ascending or descending order secured by 16 students in a class test of 10 marks. Find the mean, median and mode of the following marks. This marks is arranged or in ascending order secured by 16 students in a class test out of 10 marks. It means this student gets 0 marks out of 10, this student gets 0 marks out of 10, this is 2 marks out of 10 and so on. What we have to do? We have to first find mean, median, then mode. Okay. So what formula we use for finding the mean? Mean is equal to sum of observation by number of observation. Sum of observation 0 plus 0 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 6 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 by number of observation, that is 16 students. So number of observation is equal to 16. By adding all the numbers we get 64. So it is 64 by 16. 16 4 ja 64. So mean marks is equal to 4. Okay. Now we find median. For finding median, what we have to do? We have to find the value of n. Here it is 16 students, so n is equal to 16, which is even. Now we know that median is equal to n by 2th plus n by 2 plus 1th observation by 2. N by 2th, it means 16 by 2th plus 16 by 2 plus 1th observation by 2. 16 by 2 we get 8th plus 9th observation by 2. 8th observation, which one is the 8th observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th and 9. It means 4 plus 5 by 2, that is 9 by 2, and it becomes 4.5. So median marks is 4.5. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out mode of the data. And what is mode? The observation which occurs most of the time, that observation is called mode of the data. It means maximum is the frequency. Which observation having maximum frequency? Here we can see that 0 occurs 2 times, 2 occurs 2 times, 3 occurs 3 times, 4 occurs 1 times, 5 occurs 4 times, 6 occurs 2 times, 7 1 times and 8 1 times. It means 5 having maximum frequency. Observation 5 having maximum frequency, therefore mode is equal to 5. It means what we get? We get mean marks is equal to 4, median is equal to 4.5 and mode is equal to 5. Okay. Now the second question is the number 1, 2, 4, 4, 2x plus 1, 5, 5, 6 and 7 are written in ascending order. If the median is 5, then find the value of x, hence find the mode. First, what observations are given here? 1, 2, 4, 4, 2x plus 1, 5, 5, 6, 7. Now, how many observations are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. N is equal to 9. Now, what is given? Median is given. That is 5. So, median is equal to, what formula we use for finding the median when number of observation is odd? Median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation. Now n plus 1, n is 9, 9 plus 1 by 2th observation, it means 10 by 2th observation. 10 by 2th, it means 5th observation. Which one is the 5th? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th observation is 2x plus 1 and the value of median is given 5. So we can write here 5. Now it becomes 5 minus 1 is equal to 2x. 4 is equal to 2x and we get the value of x is equal to 4 by 2, that is x is equal to 2. Now the observations becomes 1, 2, 4, 4 and 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1, that is 2 into 2 plus 1, 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. 5, 5, 5, 6, 7. First, what we have to find? Find x, hence find the mode. Again, we have to find mode. What is mode? Mode is the observation which occurs most of the time. Here 1 occurs 1 times, 2 occurs 1 times, 4 occurs 2 times, 5 occurs 3 times, 6 occurs 1 time and 7 occurs 1 time. So, 5 having maximum frequency, therefore mode of the given data is equal to 5. 5 is the answer. Okay. One more question. The size of 10 surds in centimeter are as follows: 90, 95, 100, 90, 90, 95, 95, 100, 90, 105. Find the model size. If the size of one surd is misread as 90 instead of 95, find the correct model size. What we have to find out? First we have to find out the model age. Okay. So first what we do? We arrange the size of surds in ascending order or descending order. Now after arranging the size, we get 90, 90, 90, 90, 95, 95, 95, 100, 100 and 105. Now we have to find out the model size. 90 occurs 4 times, 95 occurs 3 times, 100 2 times and 105 1 times. It means maximum frequency is 4 of the size 90. So maximum frequency is equal to 4. 90 having 90 centimeters, size 90 centimeter, having maximum frequency, therefore model size is equal to 90 centimeter. Now what we have to do? If the size of one surd is misread as 90 instead of 95, find the correct model size. Now one size is misread as 90 instead of 95. If this is 95, now what is the model size now? 95, because now 95 having maximum frequency. If the size 90 if the size of one surd misread as 90 instead of 95, then what is the model size? Again we have to make the array 90, 90, 90, and now this 90 becomes 95, 95, 95, 95, and 100, 100, and 105. Now, frequency of 90 is 3, 95 having 4 frequency, 100 having 2, and 105 having 1. Which cert having maximum frequency? Which size of cert having maximum frequency? 95. Therefore, model size is equal to 95 centimeter. Okay? Hope you all understand. That's all for today. Take care and have a nice day.